I would definitely recommend this for people to look into it, especially if you're new to this, because it helps for somebody to hold your hand and to show you, why make mistakes if there is somebody who is holding your hands and showing you, how to do it. It's faster and it will be easier, and you will get to where you want to go faster. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was a good day, well spent. Obviously, Joe Davis is very experienced. He's got 40 years and he's given us a lot of useful information. And it was a good day, well spent. I've taken a lot of information in. I've looked into the industry, recruitment, and I've seen the testimonials today as well. And it just confirms that, with all the statistics of, looking for workers from abroad as well as, the market is changing. I'm inspired, and I've looked at the figures, and it's definitely the way to go. Recruitive business. It's for work-life balance, to be able to help others in the industry, whether that's the clients, the workers, and just I want to be self-employed, and this is a way to go.